Ravi the rabbit hated rainy days. His ears drooped, his fur got wet. No fun at all. But then Grandma gave him a gift: bright yellow boots. Ravi stomped puddles, raced the rain, and even danced in it. Now he loves rainy days, all thanks to his sunny boots. New things can bring new joys.